Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with a bi-weekly Apple analysis for you for the trading session ended Monday, 4th of March. I'm doing this video 10 past 7 in the evening New York time on Monday New York time. We've got a new banner picture up on the website for the month of March. This is New Chums Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Here's my daily chart for Apple. My main wave count is expecting a continuation of downwards movement. The targets are still the initial target for minor wave 3, probably still at least a couple of weeks away, if not longer. I'm expecting for downwards movement to show an increase in momentum. We should see that probably on the daily chart soon in the next couple of weeks or so. We can already see it on the hourly chart. At 365, minor wave 3 would reach equality in length with minor wave 1. We'll have a little fourth wave correction lasting maybe a week or so. Further downwards movement, intermediate wave 3 will reach 2.618, the length of intermediate wave 1 at 356. Another fourth wave correction lasting 3 or 4 weeks maybe. More downwards movement. Primary wave 3 will reach 1.618, the length of primary 1 at 272. When primary 3 is a completed 5-wave impulse, then we'll expect a bigger correction for primary 4, which can't move into primary 1 price territory above 505.75. And it is this price point which differentiates this main daily wave count, which the alternate that I'll go over at the end of the video. Let's have a look at what's happening on the hourly chart, where the high for minor 2 up here is this point here. So within minor 3, I think we have minute 1 and 2 complete, and minute 3, the strongest part of downwards movement, just beginning. Within minute 3, I think we don't have the end of minuet wave 1 yet. We have 1, 2, an extended third wave for sub-minuet 3, a little fourth wave, most likely over here. We need a fifth wave down. When minuet wave 1 is complete in another couple of sessions, look out for an upwards correction to last a couple of hours, maybe even a day or so, maybe even 2 days. Minuet wave 2 can't move beyond the start of 1, above 452.44. We're seeing an increase in momentum on the hourly chart beyond that which we've seen for minute wave 1, which is exactly what we'd expect to start to see at this point if we are indeed in a third wave to the downside. At 375, minute wave 3 will reach 1.618, the length of minute wave 1. Alternatively, on the daily chart, if cycle wave A is subdividing as a flat correction, then primary wave A within it would be subdividing as a 3. So we have a 5, 3 and a 5 down yet to complete. This alternate still requires more downwards movement, so there's no divergence in my expectation there. It's just this alternate does not expect downwards movement to increase in momentum. So if we don't see an increase in momentum, this would be a good explanation. In the short to mid-term, the upwards invalidation point is exactly the same. When this 5-wave structure is over, my main wave count expects price to not move back into this price territory, and the alternate requires it. So at that stage, if the upwards movement goes above 505.75, then we know the alternate's correct, and we expect further upwards movement to at least 90% the length of primary A, and maybe even to a new high for Apple, but that's still months away yet. We're getting downwards movement as expected. The targets are still a couple of weeks or so away yet. And that target on the hourly chart still a few sessions away maybe. That's all for me today with your Apple analysis, and I'll update this analysis on Thursday this week. If you want to get daily analysis of the S&P 500, you'll find it on my site.